Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Samsung washer is showing you the DE or the DC error code, it means that the machine is having trouble with door locking or safe spinning conditions. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it step by step. So in order to fix it, first of all, you just have to do nothing but to just open and close the door firmly. Listen for a solid click. After doing so, you just have to inspect the latch area as well. You need to make sure that there is no cloth stuck in the seal. Make sure that there is no detergent buildup and no visible damage. Even slight misalignment can stop proper locking. Now, overloading is one of the most common triggers of this particular error. So when the drum is packed, the door pressure changes and locking fails. So you need to remove some of the items and restart with a balanced medium load. Now, if the issue still persists, you can also redistribute wet laundry. For that, you just have to first of all pause the cycle and spread the clothes evenly. The heavy wet items like towels and blankets gather on one side, and this causes imbalance, which can then trigger the DC or the DE error during spin. After that, you can also check the rubber gasket and door hinge alignment. If the seal is folded or hinge is loose, the door will not sit correctly. So that also lead to the false lock detection. So if none of the methods are working for you, you can just simply do a quick reset in which you just have to simply unplug the washer, then wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes and then plug it back in and start a fresh cycle. This is going to clear the temporary sensors or control glitches. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.